Day one vlogging. We're getting out of the house. We've kind of been cooped up in the house for a weekend and it's been very iffy weather, so we thought we would go for a little walk, a little hike, and break this cabin fever. So I do love these mountains right here when we head up the Coca-Cola. So we are going to be tracking our adventures just a little bit. We are a husband and wife business team. We have a virtual business. We also have 5 kids, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they're homeschooled, and yeah, it's a fun and crazy, interesting life. And we have a virtual team, and yeah, it's involved a lot of personal growth over the past few years, 2.5 years as of right now. So we've learned a lot and come a long way, both like professionally, financially, relationally, marriage-wise. There's a lot to learn, lots to go. So we're gonna play a little game that we normally do in our team meetings, which is called Positive Focus, which we learned from our business mentor, Casey Graham. And it's kind of a little game where it kind of sets the tone and the mood for all of our meetings, and it sets the tone and what else?
Sets the tone for your meetings.
For your meetings and your day. And we thought...
Just gets you in the right mindset.
Yeah. So we thought, why aren't we doing this with our kids? We need to be doing Positive Focus with the kids. So we're going to start now. So kids, we're going to play Positive Focus, where when we get in the car, we're going to talk about one thing that you are really happy about or excited about, or something good that happened or is going to happen that you're looking forward to. It doesn't have to be a big thing, it can be a small thing. Okay.
I said my positive focus is going to Ireland on a jet for our birthday.
So we're going to Ireland on a jet.
Yeah!
In the summertime.
Yay!
And we're flying there on an airplane.
Yay!
Are you excited about that?
Yeah.
Is that your positive focus? Are you so excited?
And we're gonna have a party there.
Whoa.
Rain is getting heavier, and there's snow in the next year too. I'll bet you by the time we reach Hope, it's going to be full on snow.
That is like a lot of snow, rain stuff. And we're going to be hiking in this, okay? Ryder, what's your positive focus?
Probably going to Ireland. Never been there before.
And what are you most looking forward to when we get to Ireland?
Well, we're gonna meet some friends.
Meeting people, yeah, that sounds fun.
Go on some adventures.
Yes, castles.
Yeah, castles.
Electra,
My positive focus is going to Ireland! Woo!
oh, what a focus. Why are you excited about that?
Because I've never been there before!
Electra is our drama girl in all good senses of the word. And Victory! What's your positive focus? Say my positive focus.
My positive focus was going to Mexico with her friends, and it's going to Ireland! We're not going with our friends.
So you were you loved it when we traveled to Mexico?
And the buffet!
And had friends and food.
And the water!
And water. Lots of swimming.
The pool! Lots of sunstroke with zoo horses in
Not sunstroke. That doesn't sound fun. Archer.
Yeah.
Are you wise? Do you have words of wisdom? What are your words of wisdom?
Killer whale, sharks.
Killer whale and sharks. So you're saying you don't know how to get there?
I don't. This is an adventure.
But I thought we knew how to get there.
We know generally where we're going. We don't know exactly how to get there because we've never gone there before. And this place, I don't know how well known it is, but it's not like a typical place you would find without knowing somebody who knows where it is. So I know we're going towards Othello Tunnels. Instead of going to Othello Tunnels, we're taking a backwards loop, heading the other direction until we see some railway.
We think we found the exit, but we're not sure because it just seems a little sketchy. We're gonna ask our friend.
No, not on that
Are
one.
we actually here?
Yes, we are.
Really?
Where is it?
What do you say?
No, I'm just looking at his instructions. You go up the Coca-Cola, Porsche, turn around, come back, and take the pull-out, the gravel pull-out, right here at the Ladner Creek Bridge. That's where we are. So we're here. He said when you start hiking, go up the path, not down.
Does that mean this way through the snow? Is this up the path? All right.
I just realized that I should have brought my boots.
Yeah, nobody brought boots. Steve, we didn't know that we were hiking in the snow. Oh my goodness, and it's like a foot deep. Oh my.
There's too much snow. Too much snow
Like
for us city slickers.
2 feet. Like, look at how deep that is. That's my footprint. That is my footprint. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I just got more snow in my foot. Oh!
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep.
And you, my lovely, are wearing the wrong shoes for 2 and 3 feet of snow. That was not very well thought out.
Now that we have, I'm not in construction anymore, we have our online business, it has to be an integrated life. Has to be, because our family is a priority, kids are a priority. That means whatever we're doing to earn a living has to kind of be flexible. We need flexibility.
Yeah, we have to be ultra flexible. Like, we have a schedule, but it's a schedule that changes constantly.
I'm not.
We have calendar, and there are some things, well, like we basically created an urgency importance matrix where we figure out what absolutely cannot move in the calendar whatsoever, what can be flexible, and what is basically
Negotiable.
totally negotiable and can move depending on what's going on. So we have those 3 categories. So, you know, certain weekly meetings with our virtual team are non-negotiable. They happen no matter what. And then there's other things that are less important that we will move around depending on what's happening. So the integrated life means being extremely flexible and also planning. So it's basically having enough structure that you can be ultra flexible. So you've got to have the structure and then add the flexibility.
What it is, it's actually, you have to be disciplined enough to be flexible. Like, you have to have discipline so that you can be flexible within somewhat of a structured routine.
Right. Structured flexibility.
Spontaneity. There we go. This is the Chem wetlands out by between Chilliwack and Hope. It's floating. Pretty stinking cool.
Hey guys, there's a little path.
Don't fall in.
Hey. Oh, there's a little pathway. Oh, we are here. Are you taking a video?
Yes?
Oh.
Do you have something to say for yourself?
Well, we're here now, so I don't know what to do. Come on, let's go walk. Yeah. XR.
Where are you going?
Bye.
See you later.
No.
Cool.
But those are cool. We should probably catch up with them. Whoop, a little shaky. Eva, what are you doing? I'm climbing. Mom! Yeah! Dad, I told you I'm a leopard.
Yeah. You look like a leopard.
Yeah.
A blue and gray and pink one.
Gold! That's gold, I see.
Video?
Yeah, it's
You
pretty
are the
fun.
cameraman.
Yay.
I
The
see
family
gold.
cameraman.
And the video editor.
And the editor.
Mom's doing the floss.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Thanks.